They did the call.
There's no need to be nervous, just be yourself. So this was when we video called him. He's talking about the video call here. Yeah, eventually.
Oh God, no.
You're welcome. Happy I can help. How's the bathroom?
Alright guys, my camera died, so I had to like film a little bit of it on my phone, but I didn't film me putting this ghost bond on the wig cap. I'm not too sure how I feel about the foundation that I use. I'm scared that it's a little bit too light. I couldn't find my other Fenty Beauty liquid foundation that's a bit darker than this powder one, but hopefully it'll be fine. I've already did 2 layers of the ghost bond, so I guess I'm gonna do a whole, like a 3rd layer, I guess, for added protection. So maybe I put too much glue, just a tad bit too much. It's just coming off the clumps. This wig gonna stay afloat. I can get in the pool with this motherfucker on all this damn glue on here. Period. Get in the pool, go for a little swim. I'm just blending this fucking glue. This lace better come out straight. It better come out straight. I've attempted to put on a lace like so many times, and every time I try to put it on, I just mess something up. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I'm trying to lay this wig cap, blend this wig cap in with my skin as much as I can. The lace is a 13 by 16. I've never had a 13 by 16 before. That bitch is moving up. Because I hate those parts where it's just like, just only the middle part. I got so tired of those. I was like, yeah, I'll just spend whatever it takes to get a straight wig, get a cute little wig. I can do some hairstyles in, because I never glue my wigs down. I just always use a little headband. Even with a regular lace wig, I just use a headband. I ain't got the time to be gluing this shit down, then it don't turn out right. And I waste time. Might cry a little bit, but it should be fun. Yeah, my camera dying, but I'm like, this lace is like the best lace I've ever bought.
I tried putting a little bit of foundation on there. Hopefully it works, but I'm so scared to put it on, and I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. This is like a really, really good lace.
It's from VIPBeauty on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Let me hurry up and try to put this wig on, probably charge my camera up, and by the time I come back, the wig gonna be on my head and the wig is gonna look good. I'm speaking it into existence now. So if I'm pissed at the end of the video, we all gonna know why. Just mess this shit up. I just gotta stop doing my hair, honestly.
This wig is 26 inches. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all how long this wig is. Oh, fine. It here goes down to, it goes down to my waist. This is the front. The front goes down to, I did not, 26 inches is a very decent one. Texture, I like the texture, is really soft. What else? It's not too thick. It's like the perfect density. It's not too thin. It's not like thin as hell, and it's not like too thick. Like, I feel like this hair might not get tangled as much, but it's a really nice texture. It feels really soft. The lace was really nice. So hopefully it stays away. Hopefully my lace turns out straight and I get to post this video. Alright guys. I glued the lace down, and like, I'm a little bit disappointed simply because it's so hard to find a good foundation or tint that could blend more in with my dark skin, but it's cool though, I guess. I just probably have to go find some lace tint or something that's dark enough, because it's a little bit light on the edges. I ain't gonna lie to you, shit looks very awkward, but looks already on my head. It's not too bad. I just probably have to go back over it with some lace tint. So. Alright guys, I'm done with my install. Don't ask me to lift it up on the sides because that's all I'll do. Like I said, the only problem that I do have with it is it's looking so light up here, but once I find my other foundation, it should be fine. But like I was saying, that this is it's a 13 by 6 lace. So you want to do like cute little ponytails in it, you can do that. But yeah, this is the lace from Amazon. I really do like it.